How to delete friends on Snapchat. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Snapchat application on your device and make sure you are logged into your account. As you are logged into your account, tap on your profile at the top left corner of the screen. Now scroll down and tap on your My Friends option. As you tap on My Friends, you'll be able to see all your friends. Now, if you want to delete friends on Snapchat, simply tap on the name of the person that you want to delete and then tap on their profile. Here, you'll be able to see the option of three dotted lines. So just tap on three dotted lines and you'll be getting this option of Manage Friendship. So tap on it. Here you can see the option of remove friend. So you just need to tap on remove friend and it gives you a pop-up that if you really want to remove this particular friend or particular person as a friend, so you just have a tap on remove and there you go. You have deleted friends on Snapchat. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.